Hello dear students, welcome to Maths Education channel. Now we will solve the question number 1 from R.S. Agrawal book, exercise 1D. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon also. Thank you. Exercise 1D, find each of the following products. Question number 1. Part 1, 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. Now we will multiplying 3 into minus 7 upon 5 into 8 equals to minus 21 upon 40. Answer. Now second part is minus 9 by 2 into 5 by 4. We will solve the minus 9 into 5 upon 2 into 4 equals to minus 45 upon 8 is answer. Part 3, minus 6 by 11 into minus 5 by 3. Solution, minus 6 into minus 5 upon 11 into 3. We will multiplying numerator and denominator and denominator equals to minus change into plus 6 5 the 30 upon 33. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 30 upon 33 divide into 3, both numerator and denominator, equals to 10 upon 11. Answer. Now fourth part, minus 2 by 3 into 6 by 7. We will solve the minus 2 into 6 upon 3 into 7 equals to minus 12 upon 21. Simplifying the above rational number, we get minus 12 upon 21 equals to minus 12 divided by 3 upon 21 is divided by 3 equals to minus 4 by 7. Part 5, minus 12 by 5 into 10 upon minus 3. We will solve the equation minus 12 into 10 upon 5 into minus 3 equals to minus 120 upon minus 15. Minus 120 upon minus 15. Now we will solve numerator and denominator. Minus 1 into minus 1 upon minus 1 equals to 120 upon 5. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 120 upon 5 equals to 120 upon 15 equals to 120 upon 15 divide by 3, both numerator and denominator, equals to 40 upon 5 equals to 8. 8 5 is 40. Part 6, 25 by minus 9 into 3 upon minus 10. Solution, we will solve the 25 into 3 upon minus 9 into minus 10 equals to 75 upon 90. Minus change into plus, and 10 into 9 equals to 90. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 75 upon 90 divide by both numerator and denominator by 15 equals to 5 by 6. Seventh part is 5 upon minus 18 into minus 9 upon 20. Solution: we will solve the 5 into minus 9 upon 18 minus 18 into 20 equals to minus 45 upon 360. Minus 360. We will solve the numerator. Now we will divide both numerator and denominator with minus 1 equals to 45 upon 360. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 45 upon 360 equals to 45 divided by 45 upon 360 is divided by 45 equals to 1 upon 8 is part 8 minus 13 upon 15 into minus 25 upon 26. We will solve the equation minus 13 into minus 25 upon 15 into 26. Minus minus change into plus. 13 into 25 equals to 325 upon 26 into 15 equals to 390. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 325 upon 390 is divided by 5. Both numerator and denominator, we get 65 upon 78. Simplifying with numerator and denominator, divide by 13. 65 divided by 13. 78 divided by 13 equals to 5 by 6. Answer is 5 by 6. Part 9th, 16 upon minus 21 into 14 upon 5. We will solve the equation 16 into 4 upon minus 21 into 5. 16 into 14 upon minus 21 into 5 equals to 224 upon minus 105. Simplifying the above rational number, we get 224 upon minus 105 is divided by 7 equals to 32 upon minus 15 equals to, we will multiplying both numerator and denominator with minus 1. 32 into minus 1 upon minus 15 into minus 1 equals to minus 32 upon 15 is part 10 minus 7 upon 6 into 24. We will solve the equation 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, minus 7 into 4 equals to minus 28 is answer. Part 10, part 11, 7 upon 24 into minus 48. We will solve the equation 24 1 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. We will solve the 7 into minus 2 equals to minus 14 is our answer.
Part 12 minus 13 by 5 into minus 10. So we will solve this equation. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. is equal to minus 13 into 2. So the answer is minus 26.